Als Wissenschaftler hat man den Vorteil, flexibel arbeiten zu können. Andererseits braucht man Ruhe, um sich konzentrieren zu können und nicht abgelenkt zu werden.
Stefan Wittig and his wife Isabel both work in the law department of the University of Vienna. They live in the city centre with their 4-year-old daughter Maria. As an assistant professor in international law, Stefan's work involves both research and teaching, making a time-consuming schedule. He became even busier when Maria was born. In the middle of work on his postdoctoral research, he had to combine long hours at his books with his new parental responsibilities. The university's dedicated nursery was a big help. The facility, which was started with co-funding from the European Social Fund, provides childcare for toddlers and a quiet study room for their parents.
Die Nutzung dieser hochqualitativen Kinderbetreuungseinrichtung gab mir die Möglichkeit, mich um meine Tochter zu kümmern und mit meiner Habilitation voranzukommen.